Good morning, my dear students. Let us see lesson number 3, HCF and LCM. In previous video, we have seen practice set 11. Now let us see next point, greatest common divisor or highest common factor. Greatest common divisor means GCD or highest common factor means HCF. The HCF or the GCD of given numbers is their greatest common divisor or factor. So let us see prime factors methods. It is easy to find the HCF of numbers by first factorizing all the numbers. So let us see example to find HCF of numbers. Let us see example number 1. Find the HCF of 24 and 32. It means that we have to find prime factors of these two numbers 24 and 32, and we have to write that prime factors into product form. So let us find the factors of 24 by using factorization method. See, in 24 last digit is 4 and 4 is even number. Therefore, dividing by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Again 2 stable 12 is there. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. Now see, 3 is an odd number. Therefore, 3 ones are 3. Now we got prime factors. Now we have to write these prime factors into product form. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Similarly, we have to find prime factors of the next number 32 by using factorization method. See, 32 is an even number. Therefore, dividing by 2, 2 ones are 2, 3 minus 2, that is 1 remain. Now we got 12, 2 6 are 12. Again 16 is divisible by 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. Now we got factors of 32. 2 occurs 5 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So we wrote prime factors into product form. But here we have to find the HCF of 24 and 32. So HCF means highest common factor. Therefore, here we have to find common divisor of 24 and 32. So here 2 occurs 3 times in each of these two numbers. 2 is common 3 times. Therefore, HCF of 24 and 32 is equal to, we have to take common numbers, 2 into 2 into 2. Therefore, we got 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. So, HCF or GCD of 24 and 32, that is 8. Let us see next example. Number 2. Find the HCF of 60, 12 and 36. So here we have to find prime factors of these three numbers 60, 12 and 36. So number 1, 60. Use the factorization method. See, 60 is even number because last digit is 0. Therefore, dividing by 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 zeros are 0. Again dividing by 2, 2 ones are 2, 3 minus 2, that is 1 remain. 1 and 0, that is we got 10, 2 5s are 10. Now 15 is an odd number, therefore dividing by 3, 3 5s are 15. Now 5 is prime number, therefore 5 ones are 5. Next, 12. We got the prime factors of 60, so we are writing into product form. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now we have to find prime factors of 12. 12 is an even number, therefore dividing by 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 is prime number, therefore 3 1s are 3. So here factors of 12, that is 2 into 2 into 3. Now next we have to find prime factors of 36. In 36, last digit is 6, that is even number, therefore dividing by 2, 2 ones are 2, 3 minus 2, that is 1 remain. 1 and 6, that is we got 16, 2 8s are 16. C in 2's table 18 is there, 2 9s are 18. Now 9 is an odd number, therefore dividing by 3, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So we got here factors of 36, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now here we have to find common divisors of these three numbers. So 2 occur in each number. Similarly again 2 occur in each number, and even 3 also occur in 3 numbers. So here 5 is there, see in 12 5 is not there, in 36 5 is not there, again 3 is not there in 60 and 12. Therefore HCF of 60, 12 and 36 is equal to, we have to take common divisors and we have to write once 2 into 2 and 3. So 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So 12 is the HCF of 60, 12 and 36. Now we have to see third example. Find the HCF of 10, 15, 12. So here we have to find prime factors of 10, 15 and 12. So 2 5s are 10, 2 and 5 both are prime numbers. Now 15, 3 5s are 15, both are prime numbers. Now 12, 4 3s are 12. Again we have to write factors of 4, that is 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4 into 3. Now we have to take common divisors. 2 is not there in 15. 5 is there in 10 and 15, not in 12. Therefore here HCF of 10, 15 and 12, that is 1, because there is no any common divisor except 1. So there is no common divisor except 1. All these numbers are multiplied by 1. That is, we will get only these numbers. Therefore we can say there is no common divisor except 1, and therefore HCF of 10, 15 and 12, that is 1. Because there is no any common divisor to all these three numbers 10, 15 and 12, only 1 is there. Suppose we multiply it by 1 to each number, we will get these numbers only 2 into 5, 3 into 5 and 2 into 2 into 3. Therefore we can say that there is no any common divisor except 1, and therefore HCF of 10, 15, 12 is equal to 1. So let us see few more examples in next video, and don't forget to write these examples in your notebook. Bye. Take care.